Hi there. What I have today is a Union British Standard kite mark lock. I do not have a key for this lock, but hopefully we won't need one. I did video this yesterday, but I got to, I think it was 9 minutes 33 before I'd picked it, and the time ran out on 10 minutes for some reason. So we'll have another go today, and hopefully I can do it a bit quicker. I'm using Andy Mac tools, which the key in here now I've created myself. And we've got a good picture of the bolt there. And the pick wire, it did come with a bent end for a handle because it was one of his earlier sets. But as I've seen the blue pick wheel what he done, I had a disc detainer pick that was not in use, so I give it a go myself, which I will show you if I get this picked. Right, we fell into a false gate there. Now I'd normally reset it, but what I've been watching lately, it says don't reset and find the lever it is and lighten up on the tension a little bit, and then we should be out of that there now. We could have dropped it again, but just carry on picking through like it would be like a security pin. There again we fell into one. Lighten up on the tension, so one of the levers will give us a bit of feedback. I think that's lever 2. I'll just check the rest. That was lever 5 there. Nothing on 1. It's hard to tell which levers you're on, as I am just starting out with this. And we fell into that false gate again. I think it's lever 1. And again, another false gate. As I say, I'm just picking through these because I know when I'm releasing tension that other ones will be falling down. And there, we do have an open. It doesn't really matter if I unlock it all the way because we will be taking a look at it. So yeah, well, I locked it back up anyway. Yeah, the key I made was this one. There's nothing wrong with Andy Max, but I just wanted to give this one a go, and as the key was cast, I thought I'd leave that on the end rather than this little bit here, but it worked absolutely great. And the pick wheel, this was my own. I know it's a bit rough, but it was a first attempt, and the pick wire is Andy Max. So absolutely awesome work on that anyway. Right, so let's take a look. There you have it. I'll try and turn it up so you can get a good look. A good look at them levers in there as I'm taking them out. As you can see, they have got false gates up and down, So we'll start, and it's got a reduced thickness to, I think that's to try and get your pick stuck. So, and I do have a pin and tray sent to me by Boggy, and it's perfect for doing levers. As you can see, that's got a nice gate in it. It's took me a while to pick this lock, so it's not just a fluke, it's been a long time. And as I say, I did pick it yesterday, but the time was quite long, so that one had the false gate on the bottom. And the last one, again, lovely. So there you have it. That was the Union. 1 second. That was the Union British Standard. I think it's a deadbolt. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.